So today on 2 Minutes with Spencer, I have to admit something. And you might one day have to admit this to yourself. I've screwed up. It's that simple. I've made mistakes. I have had to change plans because of my own personal screw ups. Now, the question is, what do you do after you realize you screwed up? Do you continue to fight for the same plans you now know are not going to work? Or do you create a new plan that A, you might screw up that plan as well, or B, at least gives you an opportunity for success that the previous plan you just learned didn't work? You screwed it up. So, I have screwed up in the past. I know I will screw up in the future. The biggest difference between failures and success is failures continue to screw up trying to implement the plan that they know is a failure but refuse to accept the fact that it failed. Successes realize that it failed and change or tweak so that the new future has been decided and they are no longer continuing down the path of failure. I've screwed up, you've screwed up. What you need to realize is just because you failed at that one venture one time does not doom you to failure if you are willing to learn from your mistakes and make the changes necessary to aid in your success. Simply realize, hey, I screwed up. I failed. Big deal. Most successes fail before they succeed. So you have to realize that. Allow the failure to progress you forward. As they say, fail forward. Don't look back. Make the steps necessary for success and continue on a path to success versus that path to failure. Go out there, be a success. That's all I got for today. It's 2 Minutes with Spencer. Follow our YouTube page, YouTube/Spencer Aiken. Let us know what you think. Have a great day.